गुड इवनिंग वन एंड ऑल, वेलकम टू अनअकैडमी। सो कैसे हो आप सभी लोग? सो हाउ आर यू गाइस? सो आज I have discussed two parts in Venn diagrams. Okay, so what I have discussed, basic 3 variable Venn diagrams and 2 variable Venn diagrams. Hello Pawan, hello. Hi Sai Krishna. Right. So what we have discussed is basic Venn diagrams. In this basic Venn diagrams, I have discussed you with 3 variable Venn diagrams and 2 variable Venn diagrams. Am I right or wrong? 3 and 2 variable Venn diagrams. And the previous questions asked in your GATE papers since last 4 years, we will discuss some more PYQs, and then we will start a new concept in Venn diagrams, which is nothing but maximization and minimization of Venn diagrams. Right? In number system, we have seen how to find out maximum and minimum values. Now let us see how to find out maximum and minimum values in Venn diagrams. Okay, so before start of the class, as I am time again saying that in UPSC it got huge blockbuster iconic course. Now what is this iconic course in GATE? So apart from plus, in plus you will get live classes, test series, structured schedule and unlimited practice. Apart from that, in iconic you will get a personal coach where he will look upon your strength and weakness and prepares a study planner, what to study and what to come next in a systematic manner, and you will get expert guidelines. You will get ESE mains and QA preparation also for this iconic. So how much you have to invest on this? Right, so you have to invest 2,500 rupees per month. Right, for 1 year after 10% discount it will be 40,500 if you use my code NLN10. And for plus, how much you have to invest? Up they go 1,250 rupees per month, and the 1 year subscription fee will be 22,500 if you use my code NLN10. Right, and apart from that, if you use my code you'll get 10% discount NLN10, and also you'll get guidance for all these subjects, and also you'll get guidance of my entire group, right from Ankit Goyal sir to me, right, Kamesh sir, Beam Shankar sir, right, everyone. And again, see, this is our group's YouTube schedule for October month. You can check the timings and you can set the classes as per your convenience. Yes, and one more announcement, in Unacademy Telugu channel, from 12th of October, I am going to start geometry and mensuration, where it will be completely exhaustive, which will be useful for GATE, ESE and SSC examinations completely. Yes, right. So chalo, let us start the concept. And this is a PYQ asked in 2018 GATE. Now closely observe the question there. You can solve it very easily, right, without my help. Already we have done many questions regarding this. Now by reading the question, so dhyan se dekho, don't worry about the answers, right, read the statements perfectly. Among 150 faculty members in an institute, 55 are connected with each other through Facebook and 85 are connected through WhatsApp, it seems. Right, now observe here, by this you can easily say this is a 3 variable Venn diagram. Am I right or wrong? Yes, this is a 3 variable Venn diagram. I mean 2 variable Venn diagram, really sorry, this is a 2 variable Venn diagram. Draw the Venn diagram and represent. As I said, your first step is to represent the Venn diagram perfectly, then finding out the values. Yes, now dekho idhar, totally how many members are there? 150 members are there. So those who can do it fastly and let me know the answer in the comment section box, right? Don't waste your time. So total is represented as mu. The first variable is Facebook. The second variable is WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll give the alphabetical order also. A, G, B. Good evening, Kavana. So I'm seeing all your chat boxes. Don't worry about that. I'll see only after the questions, right? Don't worry about that. Dekho idhar. Among 150 faculty members in an institute, there are 150 members totally. 55 are connected with Facebook. Okay, done. And 85 are connected through WhatsApp. Okay, fine. So it is not only WhatsApp, it is WhatsApp. Matlab, the total circle of WhatsApp is equal to 85. 30 faculty members do not have Facebook and WhatsApp accounts, it seems. So none value is given as 30. Okay, the number of faculty members connected only through Facebook account is, that means you are asked to find out a value. Am I right or wrong? Now everybody know what is total value, ma? A plus G plus B plus N is equal to how much? Is it 150? Yes. And you know B plus G value as how much? 85. Write down this 85 here. And you know how much is N value, which is 30. So 80 plus 30, 85 plus 30 is 115. So 150 minus 115, your answer is 35. So this is your answer. So this is your previous year question asked in your GATE examination. Yes, Shyam have given me the correct answer. Now देखो, once you are acclimatized to the questions, then nobody can stop you. This is a 2 marks question where you can answer it very easily. Chalo, done. So let us move on to one more PYQ. And again, this is also a PYQ asked in 2016 GATE. Now try to solve it. Now by observing the data, what can you say is, it is a 2 variable data because hockey and football are there. So I'll draw the diagram in the meanwhile. Try to answer this question. Anybody? Yes, Guru, 35 is correct. What about the next one? Dekho idhar. 25 persons are in a room, it seems. So the total value is 25. Yes, very good. So I'll give the variables first and then I'll do the question. Hockey. Any doubt you can post me on the comment section box. So I'll be explaining you again and again. Don't worry about that. And this is football. Right. So A, G, B, N. Before I complete drawing the diagram, you can answer this very easily. Yeah. 17. No, Sai. I think you have done some mistake. Once check there. So देखो सभी लोग, there are 25 persons in a room, it seems. 15 of them play hockey. देखो इधर, it is not only hockey, it is hockey. मतलब पूरा hockey circle का value 15 था. Am I right or wrong? Yes. 17 of them play football. It is not only football. मतलब 17 play, the total circle value of football is 17. 10 of them play both hockey and football. Matlab your G value is 10. Then what is the question asked? The number of persons playing neither hockey nor football. Matlab you are asked to find out none value. Yes, Shyam, it is 3. Very good. Now dekho idhar, A value will be how much, ma? Will be A plus G is equal to 15. G plus B is equal to 17. So B value is 7. So 15 plus 7 is 22. So total value must be A plus G plus B plus N value is equal to 25. Yes, Anchal, very good. Yes, very good. Now you know A plus G as 15. You know B as 7. And automatically N value will be 3. Yes, so your option number D. Again, this is a previous year question, right? Please go through. Done. So from here onwards, I will get all the PYQs for you, right? As many were asking again. This is also a PYQ asked in 2015 GATE. Yes, Kawana. Yes, very good, very good. That's the answer. Now I want you guys to answer this. I will not answer this. So I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this question. Zoom. Can't you observe it? Bhavani kanapatleda? Can't you see it? Right? Any problem? Any answers? Bolo, waiting for your answers. So in the meanwhile, I'll draw the diagram. Teachers. So you can directly observe here, or you can directly convert it into a Venn diagram. Your wish, right? I don't force you to do it. If you are very comfortable in observing the diagram itself and saying the answer, that's not a big issue. Now researchers. So देखो इधर I'll write down all the variable values also. A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and I'll write this as none. Okay, and this as total. Bolo, any answer? Nobody. Shyam. 31 to 40. Kawana have answered this question. Very good. Only Kawana, right? What about the remaining guys? What about the remaining persons? So in the given diagram, teachers are represented in triangles, okay? Researchers in the circle, okay? And the administrators in the rectangle, okay? Out of the total number of people, the percentage of administrators shall be in the range of. Now, देखो इधर. What is this 70 representing? Ab dekho, what is this 70 representing? It is only teachers. So matlab A value will be equal to 70. Okay, done. Yes, DD. Now this 10 will represent what? Only teachers and administrators. So your D value is 10. Am I right or wrong? Now what is this 20? Only administrators. I'll write down 20 here. What is this 20 representing? Only researchers and administrators. So your E value is 20. Now dekho idhar, what is this 40 representing? Only researchers. And you don't know your F value, you don't know G value. That's why they have asked the question shall be. You cannot damn surely say it. Shall be matlab it is a probability. Now dekho idhar, number of people, the percentage administrators. Now देखो इधर how many administrators are there? 20, 40, 50 administrators are there. Now up to now how many people are there? 40 plus 20 60 plus 20 80 plus 10 90 160. 50 by 160 you will get a value of 31.25 something. So your option is D. Chalo, you must get a doubt that we don't know F value, we don't know G value, how you are answering it. Perfectly there is no answer, right? But according to the given question, this is asked shall be in the range of. If at all, if there is an answer, what is the answer? That is the question asked. That's it. This is the answer. Done, clear? Yes. Very good. Very good. Right. Now, dekho idhar, from here onwards, let us see how maximization and minimization of Venn diagrams will be done. So, I will explain one question and you have to solve the next question for me. Right? How maximization and minimization will be done. So I have explained the same concept in number system. I have explained the same concept in geometry, right? Your mass point geometry. I don't know how many of you attended my geometry classes. There I have explained you this minimization and maximization. Now this is 3 variable Venn diagram. I'll draw the things first. then I'll give you a better explanation. Okay. Right. Now देखो इधर, these questions are based on the information given below in a class of 150 students. So totally there are 150 students. So your total, which is nothing but mu value, is nothing but 150. So what are the variables there, ma? So each one likes at least one subject, matlab your none value is equal to 0. Am I right or wrong? So how many subjects are there? 3 subjects are there: science, social and English. Am I right? Yes, science, social and English. Right. So देखो इधर 80 students like science, it seems. So the total circle of science value is 80. 70 students like social. The total circle value of social is 70. Now I'll write down the alphabets also, variable values A, B, C, D, E, F and G. And this is none. Okay. Now this is the data given there. Am I right? Now come to the questions. What is the first question asked? What is the first question asked? देखो इधर question number 33. So take a screenshot of the questions, ma. Right, guys, keep it in the landscape mode. Take a screenshot of the questions. और एक बार questions को screenshot question का screenshot लाओ. Then I can move to and fro. Right, done. Now देखो इधर, what is the first question asked? If the number of students, take a screenshot please, right? If the number of students who like exactly one subject is 90. Now देखो इधर, exactly one subject is 90 means, so in this total Venn diagram, A plus B plus C is given as 90. Am I right or wrong? Let me know yes or no. Is it clear? Now what is the question asked? Then what is the maximum possible number of students who like English? Now the question asked is, what is the maximum possible number of students who like English? Right. So I'll come back. English, it is not only English, ma. English. Matlab, you are asked to find out C plus E plus G plus F value, and that has to be maximum, it seems. And that has to be maximum, it seems. Yes. Now how will you solve it? Now देखो इधर ABC is given as 90 and everybody know what is total value. Can I write down here? A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus none is 0. I am avoiding this, which is equal to 150. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? And in this you know ABC as 90. Now how much will be DEFG, ma? DEFG value will be how much? Will it be 60? Will it be 60? Let me know yes or no in the comment section box. Then I can move down to the next step. Is DEF plus G is 60? So I'll write down this G here. Yes or no? Clear? Is it clear, ma? Any doubts? Yes. Fine, done. As Kawana said that it is 60, then I can go. And you are asked to find out this circle value maximum. Means देखो इधर, if you want to find out maximum value of the circle, and all the individual values in the circle must also be maximum. Am I right or wrong? देखो इधर, if your total bubble value has to be maximum, matlab your individual values in the circle must also be maximum. Am I right or wrong? Let me know yes or no. Yes, clear. And come here. What is the center value in this? Now देखो इधर, you have 3 plates with you, ma. आपके पास 3 plates था. इस 3 plates का center point value बोलो. इस 3 प्लेट्स का सेंटर वैल्यू सेंटर पॉइंट वैल्यू बोलो. देखो, I mean, did you got my point there? आपके पास 3 plates था and these 3 plates are arranged in this manner. If these 3 plates are arranged in this manner, what will be the center point value? What will be the center point value? Is it G? Is it G? Am I right or wrong? Let me know, yes or no. Yes, yes. Damn surely G is the center point value. Yes. Matlab, if you can put maximum value on the G, automatically that will be shared to all the 3 circles equally. Am I right or wrong? So in order to balance these 3 circles, if you keep maximum value in G, automatically every circle will be balanced. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly it will be balanced. So this is the logic in maximization and minimization. If you look upon your G value perfectly, then you can solve your questions very easily. Now what maximum value can you give for G? According to this equation, D plus E plus F plus G is 60. So if the best maximum value that you can give for G is 60. Am I right or wrong? The best maximum value that you can give for G is 60. Yes or no? So I will take my G as 60, F as 0, E as 0, D as 0. Let us check it. If we are wrong, we will change it. E as 0, F as 0. देखो माँ, if G is 60, this entire circle value has to be 80, so your A value has to be 20. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfect. If see देखो इधर social circle complete value D is 0, E is 0, G is 60, so how much must be B value? 10. So already your A value is 20 and your B value is 10. So how much must be your English value there? C value must be how much ma? Is it 60? Yes, perfectly 60. Now देखो इधर, if you take a value in G and that G value must be satisfied for all the circles. If it is not satisfying, then you are wrong. If it is satisfying, yet is it correct. If you take G as 60, yes, sine circle is satisfying 80. If you take G as 60, yes, social circle is valuing 70 and complete. देखो इधर, now what is this value? C value is 60, E value is 0, G value is 60 and your F value is 0. Am I right or not? So पूरा कितना था? Is it 120? Is it 120? Is it right? Now देखो इधर, if G value is maximum, automatically your A value will be minimum. Your complete values are sucking up by G, so automatically the remaining values will be given to ADF. That's what we have done. So is there any option called 120? Yes, there is an option called 120. Yes, perfectly done. Is it clear? I think I am clear regarding this. Yes. Now देखो इधर, I will draw the same question here. Now try to answer B. For your convenience, I will draw the 3 circles here itself so that you can have a better clarity. Moving to and fro might you will get confused. I will draw the same circle here. Try to answer 34th one. So this is science. This is social, science, social, and this is English. Yes. Now, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, done. Now, I'll give a timer right now. You have to answer with the timer. This is none. And everybody know your total value is 150. Am I right or wrong? Yes. And your science value is given as 80. And your social value is given as 70. Am I right or wrong? 80, 70, yes, all the things are correct. Mu is nothing but total. Now you have to answer my 34th question. So I will give you 2 minutes timer for this. Waiting for the answer. So those who have continuation in the previous classes can understand these questions easily, or otherwise if we have previous knowledge also, that will be very very helpful, right? 34th, if the number of students who like English is 90, English it seems, it is not only English, it is English. Matlab, this is the point given there, C plus E plus, I am not solving, I am just writing the data there. E plus G plus F is given as 90. Then what is the maximum possible number of students who like only science? So you are asked to find out a value, and that has to be maximum, it seems. 1 minute more, let's see how many can answer this. So I have given the data, I have drawn the diagram, just I have asked to find out the question there. Shyam Sundar, Kavana, Akil, Guru, what happened, Sai, Bhavani, Anchal Sharma. Any answers? Thirty seconds more. So Kavana said that it is 50. Okay. No, yeah. It is not 50, Kavana. No. Somebody said that C. No, 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 no. Now देखो इधर आपकी टोटल वैल्यू इज 150 माँ. इस टोटल वैल्यू में कंप्लीट इंग्लिश सर्किल हटाओ. if English circle is removed, English circle का value 90, so the remaining alphabets left over is A plus D plus B. Am I right or wrong? A plus D plus B. Is it right? If you remove C, E, G, F from the total value 150, what is the leftover value? A plus D plus B is nothing but equal to 60. Am I right or wrong? Is it right? Is it right, Bolo? First of all, the step what I have written there, is it right? Then I will go to the next step. And again, you are asked to find out a maximum value. A maximum value. A maximum value. Okay. Now, what maximum value can I give for A? What is my best choice? My best choice is 60. Am I right? I will start with 60. Then if I am wrong, then I will go back. 60. And D is 0 and B is 0 according to this. D is 0 and B is 0. देखो इधर, done. Now your F plus G value must be how much? Now देखो इधर, what I will do is, again I will give G20 value. I will give G20 value because I have to satisfy this 80. So this, if I give G20, I can satisfy for all the circles very easily. Now देखो, I have taken my G as 20. So 60 plus 20, it is 80. Now your F value is also 0. Yes, F value is also 0. Now if this is 20, B is 0. Now E value must be how much, ma? E value has to be 50. Yes, perfectly. E value has to be 50. Yes, E value has to be 50. Now your total English circle has to be equal to 90. Now how much must be C value? Can anybody say? 50 plus 20, 70. F is 0. C value will be 20. Is it right? So 20 plus 50, 70, 90. Then your A value is 60 now. How do you say that 55? I got A 60. I got A 60. Now 60 plus 20, 80. 80 plus 20, 100. Yes, 150. Perfectly fitting. Perfectly fitting. Am I right or wrong? I got A as 60, ma. I got A as 60. Is it right? Yes, I am right perfectly. What's the mistake in me? A is 60. Got the point there? Yes, perfectly. Now come to the next one. Come to the next one, 35th question. How will you solve 35th question? If any doubts, please put on the chat box, then I can understand it, right? I am going to the next question. Srinivasulu, Anchal, everybody got the wrong answer. But my answer is 60. If I take A max as 60, then I am satisfying all the conditions given in the Venn diagram. Science 80, I am satisfying it. Social 70, I am satisfying it. English 90, I am satisfying it. Yes, everything is satisfied perfectly. Done. Right. Now try to answer 35. 60 is your answer, ma, right? Yes. Now try to answer this 35th question again. I will wait for 2 minutes for you. Thirty-fifth question. Waiting for the answer. Right. Now, if the number of students who like English is 100, now the question is C plus E plus G plus F is given as 100. Okay. Then what is the maximum possible number of students who like only social? Only social matlab your B max value is asked. Then how will you prove it? How will you prove it? Kawana saying that it is 50, it seems. Okay. Now they go there again. If CE plus C plus E plus G plus F is 100, hatavo this circle. Yes. Hatavo English circle. Remaining alphabets are A plus D plus B, which is equal to 50. Am I right or wrong? Then you are asked to find out B max value. Now, what maximum value can you give for B? 50, making D and A as 0. Then you have to check whether you are satisfying the remaining circles or not perfectly. So, B value is 50. If I take B value as 50, D value is 0, A value is 0. What I will do is, I will make my G value as 20 to equally give this 20 to all the things. So, G value is 20. If G value is 20, E value has to be 0. Done. So if E value is 0, F value has to be how much, ma? F value has to be 60. Yes or no? Yes. F value has to be 60. 60 plus 20, it is 80. How much is C? Again 20. So 20 plus 20, 40, 100. Yes, English circle is satisfying. 60 plus 20, 80. Science circle is satisfying. 50 plus 20, social circle is satisfying. If you take B max value as 50, everything is satisfying there. So your answer is B, 50. C option is 50. Is it clear? Now see here, this type of questions are frequently being asked in all your major examinations, and you cannot miss this. All the standard textbooks of your GATE and ESE textbooks have this type of question. You cannot miss this. Clear? Done. Yes. So as you are very acclimatized in this, now you have to solve this question for me. You have to solve this question for me. Read the data there. Pooja, it is not 60, ma, it is 50, na? It is 50, not 60, Pooja. Right. Now observe this question there. These questions are based on the information given below. In a colony, 180 families read Hindu, 120 families read Indian Express, Times of India. So I'll write down the circle here. So that's why we cannot move down front and back again and again. Okay, I'll write down here. 1 second. And again, this is one of the best question in the series. Now after completing this, you have to solve all the PYQs of your pre-examination. Why should I take F as 60? Dekho idhar. I'll show you. If F is not 60, then what will be your science value? Your science value has to be satisfied 80 na. Already you said that you took B as 50, so D and A has to be 0. I think you got my point there. Yes. Yes. Now I'll take the values here and then I will write down the things. Hindu. This is Hindu. This is Times of India. This is Indian Express. I'll write down the values, then you can solve the question. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and none. I'll write down none here. I'll write down total here. Okay, done. So देखो इधर are based on the information. In a colony 180 families read the Hindu, means total circle value of Hindu is given as 180. So Hindu value is 180. I'll write down 180 here. Now again 120 families read Indian Express. 120 families read Indian Express. Okay, done. Next one, and 250 families read either the Hindu or Times of India. Either the Hindu or Times of India means first of all, as yesterday we have done it, A plus, B plus, D plus, E plus, F plus, G plus N is equal to 250. Why I'm not taking none means, देखो इधर each family residing in the colony reads at least one of the 3 newspapers, it seems. That means none is equal to 0. I'm avoiding this none here, right? Okay, none must be avoided also. None must not be there. Okay, next 30 families read both the Hindu. So देखो इधर read both the Hindu and Times of India. It is not only, it is both Hindu and Times of India. Hindu and Times of India is nothing but D plus G. D plus G value is given as 30. Am I right or wrong? Yes. This is the data given there in the question. Yes, we have written all the things perfectly. Hindu or Times of India. Done. Now, come to the first question asked. If 60 families read only Indian Express, matlab your B value is given as 60 ma. Your B value is given as 60. I am writing down here in writing. Your B value is given as 60. Then how many families do not read Indian Express is the question asked. Do not read, sorry. Here it is 60. How many families do not read Indian Express is the question asked. Now देखो इधर do not read Indian Express मतलब first of all you have to remove the Indian Express value. What is the leftover value there? A plus D plus B. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Yes. A plus D plus B value is the question asked. Then yes, I have changed it. Now the question asked is A plus D plus B value. How much it is? Let me know anybody. Now that's a very easy one, ma. According to this data, what happened? Your C value is given. If I add my C value here, will it become total? Yes. So your total value will be how much? Will it be 250 plus 60 will be 310? Is it right or not? Yes. So देखो इधर you are asked to find out ADB value. Now remove Indian Express value. 310 minus 120 will be your answer. 310 minus 120 is how much, ma? 091. So your answer is 190. Is it clear? In the first question, C value is given. If I add that C value to the given data, then it becomes total value. From the total value, if you remove Indian Express value, then that is the question asked. How many families do not read Indian Express? So your answer is how much? It is 190. I think I am clear. Yes, perfect. There is no chance of doubt in this. Yes, yes, I am perfect. Now dekho idhar. Now I want you guys to solve. I want you guys to solve 31 question. Try 31. 31 question. Now this data is valid only for the first question, right? 31. So I am giving the timer also for you. 2 minutes. Try it. Yes, 190. Only Kavan is answering. What about Sai Kumar Kadali? Fine, Sai Kumar, but I couldn't get you. If 110 families read at least two of the three newspapers, at least two of the three newspapers, matlab your minimum value has to start with D, I mean 2, and it has to end with 3. So D plus E plus F plus G value is given as 110. Then at least how many families are residing in the colony? Then you are asked to find out total value, and this total value has to be minimum, it seems. Minimum. Then what is the answer there? Anybody? Now I can challenge you, ma. You cannot get these type of quality questions anywhere. You can compare all the videos, right? There are many videos. Everybody is doing PYQ gate, PYQ ESE, right? All these things. I have seen many videos, right? You can check the quality of our videos and the content in the videos. What about the answers? Nobody. Expected more answers. Expected more answers. क्या हुआ सबको? Kawana, what is the answer? If 110 families read at least two of the three newspapers, I have given the data also, then at least total value it seems. Now dekho idhar D plus E plus F plus G value is given as 110 it seems, ma. Now what is your A plus B value then? Is it 140? Yes. Am I right or wrong? Because this is already given in the question itself. This is already given in the question itself. I think I am clear regarding this. Yes or no? Yes, now how will you solve this? And you are asked to find out total value, and your AB value is 140 it seems. How will you solve it? 255 no, 280 no, it is not 255, it is not 280. There is a simple technique to solve it. What will you do? What will you do? Any answers apart from that? Apart from that, any answers? No one. Now dekho idhar, what I will do is D plus G value is 30 it seems, ma. Then E plus F value will be how much? E plus F value will be how much? 30 means, is it 80? E plus F value will be 80. Is it clear? Now E plus F value will be 80 and D plus G value is already given as 30. Yes, Tejas Sinkar have given me 260, Anaga Thampi have given me 260. Very good, Akshay. So, okay, many students are giving correct answers. Very good, yaar. Very good, yaar. Now, dekho idhar, what I will do is, I will give maximum value for GMA for to find out all the things, right? So, I want my B as minimum. So, what I will do, I will find out my G as maximum. The maximum value that I can give for G is 30. That means I can give my D value as 0. Am I right or wrong? Is it right? Yes, perfectly. Now so D plus G is over. Now how can you give for E plus F value? E plus F value is 40 it seems. So what I will do is I will share equally to this 40, 40, 80. 40, 40, I share equally E and F. Then देखो इधर what must be your A value? 30 plus 40, 70. How much will be A value? Must be 110. Am I right or wrong? 110 plus 70 has to be 180. A plus B value is 140. So this B value has to be 30. And you don't know about TOI value, that is not given in the question itself. Now how much will be your C value ma? 40 plus 40, 80 plus 30, 110. So your C value will be 10. Now देखो इधर calculate the entire values, that will be your total value. Am I right or wrong? So A plus B is 140. 140 plus 40 will be 180. 180 plus 30 will be 210. 210 plus 40 will be 250 plus 10 will be 260. So your answer is A option. That's it. I think I am clear. Yes. Now find out 32 question. Find out 32 question. Yes or no? As I said, G value is nothing but the center of gravity value. First of all, you have to focus on G only main. Then only you can answer the questions perfectly. Done. Now let me know 32 answer. 32, waiting for 32. This one, 32 question. So if 60 families among the families which read Indian Express read exactly one more newspaper. So in total Indian Express has 120 families. In this 120 families, 60 read exactly one more newspaper. Matlab, देखो इधर this is F ma, this is G, this is D. So your E plus F value will be equal to 60. Am I right or wrong? Indian Express plus one more exactly newspaper. Indian Express plus one more exactly one more newspaper. So E plus F value will be equal to 60. Right, then. So see here, all this data is pertaining to previous question. It must not be valid for this question. I am removing it. Okay, done. Now देखो इधर. Then what is the minimum possible number of families read exactly one newspaper? The question asked is A plus B plus C has to be minimum, it seems. Now how will you solve it? A plus B plus C has to be minimum, matlab any answer? That's an easy one. देखो इधर D plus G is given as already 30. So D plus E plus F plus G value will be totally equal to how much, ma? Totally equal to how much? Will it be 60 plus 30, 90? Am I right? So D plus E plus F plus G value will be 90. So how much will be A plus B value? Will it be 160? 160 plus 90 will be 250. Already you got A plus B value as 160. Then what will be your answer there? Exactly, minimum one newspaper, it seems. Minimum one newspaper, it seems. Answer. Now देखो इधर your C, you have to make your C as minimum. 90 there is no answer now. 90 there is no answer now. Okay, that you are saying. Okay, fine. So देखो इधर, can I do like this? A plus B is already 160 ma. Indian Express value is 120. In this E plus F value is 60. What can I take? So if I take G as maximum value, automatically your C will be minimum value. What can I take? G value 30. I can take 30 value. Yes. So E plus F will be 60. So what I will do is I will equally share it. 30. Right, 30 plus 30 is 60, 60 plus 30 will be 90. So this will be how much? C value will be 30. Am I right or wrong? Now if this is 30 and 30 and your D value is 0, 60, A value has to be 120. 120 plus 60, 180 is satisfied. Now 30 plus 30 is 60. Okay, fine. So B value will be how much, ma? B value will be 60. Yes, perfectly done. Sorry. B value will be 40. B value will be 40. 120 plus 40, 160. 160 plus 30, 190. So your option number D is correct. Your option number D is correct. Done? Yes. Perfectly fitted, done. So nobody can stop you in maximization and minimization questions here. Now, let us come to the previous year question asked. Then if you can solve it, then you are perfectly in sync with Venn diagrams. 2 marks are in your pocket for sure. Done. So this is your PYQ asked. So I'll give you 2 minutes, right? Exactly, your gate examination will be having only 2 minutes for each question. 2 marks question. Alright, so I'll be giving you 2 minutes, right? I have started the timer also. Right? Clear? Focus on the questions, right? Waiting for the answers. Kavana, Akil, Anaga, Tejas. Waiting for the best answers from you. So this is an NEAT. You have to fill the answer. There is no options there. If there are options, automatically you will substitute the options and let you know the answer there. But मैंने क्या किया? मैंने options remove कर दिया. So this, it is not an MCQ now. NEAT based. Akhil, bolo answer. So in the meanwhile, I'll only draw the diagram for my sake, right? Because I don't want to waste your time. Again, doing the diagram there. Only I'll draw the diagram for my sake. Twenty seconds more. Ten seconds more. Any answer? Nobody. क्या हो सबको? Expecting more answers from you, yaar. Human resources. Now tomorrow I will be discussing with you 4 variable Venn diagram where it was asked once in your ESE examination and some more PYQs, and from the next class, day after tomorrow class, I will be starting spatial aptitude, right? Anybody answers? Nobody got the answer? Seriously? Nobody? No, देखो इधर. An MBA class has 100 students. Has is missing there, has 100 students, okay? And every student has to choose at least one elective among the 3: marketing, macroeconomics, and human resources. So that means your none value is 0. Am I right or wrong? Your none value is 0 because every student has to opt at least one subject. Now 50% of the students choose marketing. It is not only marketing, it is marketing. Matlab the entire circle of marketing is 50%, means out of 150% means 50 students. And 70% of the students choose macroeconomics. So 70% means out of 170. 90% of the students choose human resources, means 90 will be the human resource value. Now the question is, find the minimum number of students who choose 3 electives. Means you are asked to find out G value, and this has to be minimum value, and your center pivot value has to be minimum, matlab all the other values has to be maximum. Then how will you solve it? So I have given enough time. Let us see. So I will solve like this, right? So first of all, if you remove marketing circle from the Venn diagram, so the remaining values are B plus E plus C. Considering that none is 0 already given in the thing, so I will write down BEC. What will be BEC value? Will it be 50? Yes. And then next, देखो इधर, next I will remove macroeconomic circle. If I remove macroeconomic circle, what are the remaining values there? A plus F plus C. क्या हुआ आशीष? कुछ प्रॉब्लम था आपको? Right, will be 30. And next one, remove human resources. Now that will be, they remove human resources, which will be equal to A plus D plus B, which is equal to 10. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly done. Now observe here carefully. Your G value has to be minimum, matlab the remaining values has to be maximum. Now from this equation, what maximum value can you give for E value? E value, can I give E value 50? Yes. I can start with 50, we have to check it. So if I take E value as 50, then my B value is 0 and C value is 0. Okay. Come on, from this equation, I can take my F value as 30. Already you know your C value is 0 and A value is 0. If I take F value as 30, so matlab your F value is 30. And again come to D value, B and A are 0. A 0, B 0, and your D value is how much? I'll take 10. Observe here. Now this entire marketing circle value has to be 50. A is 0, D is 0, and F is 30. So how much be G? It has to be 10. Am I right or wrong? Now देखो इधर this 10 has to be satisfied for all the circles. देखो for macroeconomics it is 70. So B is 0, D plus G is 10, 20, 20 plus 50, 70. Yes, satisfied. Now देखो human resources value 30 plus 50, 80, 80 plus 10, 90. Yes, it is satisfied. So matlab your G value minimum is 10. This is your answer. If one value has to be minimum, automatically the remaining values has to be maximum, right? The same simple logic there. I think I got better clarity. Is any doubt? Is there any doubt for you? Let me know. I will calculate it. Let me know any doubt. Is there any doubt in this? Now देखो माँ, if you want to get 2 marks question answers perfectly correct, this is the only way to solve. There is no other way. Yes, clear? Yes, done. Now try this question for the next class. Try this question for the tomorrow's class. Now tomorrow's class I will be discussing you 4 variable Venn diagram. So this was asked in once year ESE examination. So I'll discuss the basic 4 variable Venn diagram. I'll discuss one question in 4 variable Venn diagram, right? I'll discuss one question, right? I will not push you more than that, because apart from that 4 variable Venn diagram will not be for GATE and ESE examination. I mean the level of questions will not be up to your examination level, that will be CAT and GMAT level. Let's not focus on that. If any time is there, I will focus on that questions also. Tomorrow I will solve all your PYQs regarding your maximization and minimization. Tomorrow I will solve all the questions PYQs of maximization and minimization, max and minimum values, which is very important in your examination, right? So to boost your confidence, already I have solved all the PYQs for you. And one more announcement that I want to say you, from 12th of October I will be starting spatial aptitude for you, right? The newly included syllabus, and I will discuss you some geometry basics also with you. Already geometry is done, but geometry mensuration was exactly attached to your aptitude syllabus. Let's solve all those things, okay? So on Kreatryx I will be starting spatial aptitude. On Telugu channel I will be starting geometry and mensuration. Unacademy Telugu channel, geometry and mensuration. So this will be from October 12th only. It will be morning session, it will be evening session. Answer 43, answer is 10. G value is 10. And this one, right? And those who are interested to extend your subscription or to take new subscription, as the price is increasing, right? So I'm time and again saying that UPSC subscription was increased from 43,000 to 64,000. So use before it. This is the best way where you can get the topmost professors here. Use my code NLN10, you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, it will be 22,500. And there are many options to pay. Credit and debit options are there, EMI options are there. Clear? And those who want to download the notes, please join this Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is in the description. And also, if you want more ESE GS classes and ESE preliminary project management, operations research, industrial management, all these things, safety and complete aptitude for all the examinations, you can follow me on Unacademy, and the description link is in, the link is in the description. You can click it and join there. Okay, so I will be forwarding the notes to this Telegram channel. If you are Telugu guys, you can join in the Telugu Telegram channel also, right? And many were asking that for placement training, right? See here we have a computer science YouTube channel itself where machine learning is also taught. Now C plus language, C and C plus is going to start on this YouTube channel, right? As a crash course. Once check it. For Telugu guys, go through this Unacademy Gate Telugu channel, right? What Akhil? What's the timing? Which timing do you need, Akhil? Right, for JE candidates, there is separate YouTube channel for JE, right? And see, this is our main Kreatryx channel. Mechanical channel is there. Use it, use it, use it. So all the resources are here, we are providing it, right? Use it. So again, tomorrow we'll meet at 10 p.m. sharp. And thank you guys. Thank you so much. Right? Good night. Let's meet tomorrow.